Last week Microsoft laid off 7,000 people.
Oh,
ये ChatGPT launch हुआ था ना, people thought it is some groundbreaking tech, but that tech had existed for a couple of years before ChatGPT launched. So now कितने लोगों का passion होता है, I want to start a coffee
yeah.
shop, I want to start a restaurant. Most of them fail.
Yeah. So recently my company laid off a lot of significant amount of people because of वही कि more efficiency and stuff. So I feel like this is the time you, at least for people like us, to build some risk cushion to have that safety net to experiment कि चलो मान लो यार निकाल लिया जॉब से और AI is so good now कि ज़रूरत ही नहीं है लोगों की and then of course they will be like कि यार why do we need you when we have AI.
Yeah.
I don't know that time how close that time is, but I'm seeing the change where people are being squeezed out. बहुत ही high performer ही रख रहे हैं मतलब लोग अभी and
Not that as well. US में तो हो ही रहा है अभी. Like last week Microsoft laid off 7,000 people.
oh
Yeah. And yeah, 7,000 is a big number, man. That's like
7,000
yeah. So,
from
and
engineering teams or like across the board.
across Microsoft. I mean, जब ये ChatGPT launch हुआ था ना, people thought it is some groundbreaking tech, but that tech had existed for a couple of years before ChatGPT launched. So now every company is realizing कि it's not so hard. The only hard part is collecting all the data to train that model.
Yeah.
बट वो मॉडल इटसेल्फ इज नॉट सो हार्ड ना. आपको दो चीज़ें चाहिए. आपको बस एनवीडिया से बहुत सारे जीपीयू खरीदने और आपको बहुत सारा डेटा चाहिए. जीपीयू के लिए आपका सीईओ वो जेंसन हुआंग से मिलके कोई डील वील कर लेता है, उसको जीपीयू मिल जाता है. डेटा के लिए दीज कंपनीज आर ओपनिंग लाइक डेटा फार्म्स इन अफ्रीका, इन बांग्लादेश, वेयर पीपल आर एक्चुअली
Yeah.
स्क्रैपिंग इंटरनेट ट्राइंग टू
Yeah.
डू. और ये टेक कंपनीज के पास तो है ही पैसा. सो every big tech company has like figured out their own LLM, built their own LLM, and they're deploying it now, selling to customers. Uh, yeah, it's very hard to predict anything in this space, to be honest.
Yeah. That's why I feel like to have some kind of like runway 5-6 साल का depending on where you are like living in the world. इंडिया में वो थोड़ा कम हो जाता है आके कि cost of living is very less.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, you can run businesses. Traditional businesses are also, if you can make a profitable traditional business.
हाँ.
Uh,
But it will not be like I was thinking like so we were discussing this traditional business thing. So go karting, right?
Okay.
So we were running some numbers about it कि कितना profit होगा कितना. So गुड़गांव में there are like couple of rings and they make like around 60 lakhs per month. Like the number that we got was around 60 lakhs. और उनका खर्चा around 30 का था मतलब including rent, salary, maintenance of the cars and everything. And it's a really good business. Like you're making like what in a 1 CR investment,
Okay.
like 1 CR investment, you are starting to make if with time like around 30 lakhs per month. Like that's insane value, right? If you think about it.
But
Uh,
we don't know their cost, right? Like how much expenses do they have every month?
so we ran the expenses. Ki, let's say rent is 10 lakhs. Employees we counted ki okay 20, and then since labor is cheap, so ठीक है 15-20 हज़ार per महीने की salary दे दी. So we ran some numbers and we ran कि कितना footfall आ रहा है, and it came about to be like 50% margin, including the rent of that place.
Yeah.
Even let's say even 30% profit भी हो रहा है, तब भी like in a 1 CR investment you are making what 20 lakhs a month or 10-15 lakhs a month. That's like insane value, like for a go-kart ring.
Yeah.
But then we realized कि executing it, like dealing with the employees, कोई बीमार पड़ रहा है कोई नहीं आ रहा, that's the real challenge, right? In traditional business, even in a Bikaner like sweet shop कि भाई सुबह आके कोई उठ के एम्प्लॉयज के साथ डील कर रहा है and then कुछ
Yeah.
मतलब that operations part.
या मतलब वो ऑपरेशनल विज़ार्ड तो बनना पड़ेगा। लाइक यू हैव टू बी शुरू में ऑन द फ्लोर
हाँ,
डूइंग स्टफ योरसेल्फ, देन यू हैव टू
हाँ,
क्रिएट प्रोसेस सो दैट
हुँ,
थिंग्स सॉर्ट ऑफ थोड़ा टाइम लगता है वो सब में।
हाँ,
या
या
वो कहते हैं ना लाइक मोस्ट पीपल हू स्टार्ट रेस्टोरेंट्स आउट ऑफ पैशन, लाइक कितने लोगों का पैशन होता है आई वांट टू स्टार्ट अ कॉफी
या
शॉप, आई वांट टू स्टार्ट अ रेस्टोरेंट, मोस्ट ऑफ देम फेल
इट्स रियली
बिकॉज़
हार्ड, रेस्टोरेंट बिज़नेस इज़ रियली हार्ड मैन।
दे नेवर लुक इनटू द ऑपरेशंस ना। एक तो मार्जिन्स इतने कम रहते हैं रेस्टोरेंट बिजनेस में,
हुँ,
ऊपर से आपका लोकेशन ही 90% आपका फुटफॉल देता है।
या लोकेशन